All right. Good evening, guys and gals, whoever may be watching. So we have these puppies in there. I just wanted to show y'all how they're gonna fit, so you can see it. That's the old one, right? Yeah, it's wired the same way. I kind of had to go in there and redo it, and they're not aligned yet. These are a little trickier to align, so I'll have to kind of take my time with that. But and get it really tight. Everything's got to be real tight. And this is, I believe this is 1/2 inch. I can't remember. What is that? My dominant hand. It's 1/2 inch for 475. So a little under half. But yeah, this is Lexan. I bought this myself. I need to glass these with torch. Could do that pretty soon. That way it makes it clear. Tim taught me that trick. So yeah, they're wired the same gauge, same orientation, same paralleling. The only difference is one has maybe 10 more winds than the other one, so the voltage will be a little different. But I can make my buck boost have 2 inputs separate if I want, because the other one's going to have up to 6 on the boards. I'm going to build, it's actually 3 different boards. One of them I might make all 3 eventually, but those will be expensive. I don't know how many people could buy it, but it'd be over $1,000 just for the parts. Well, maybe not that much. It depends on what I can find, because that's with mouse or digi-key components. So, and it's going to vary wildly depending on what quality. Like, are we talking Cree Wolf speed, GAN, or basic FETs? That makes a big difference when I go to build those. So I'm gonna have to figure out like I don't want it too cheap, like budget style. Like I don't want it to break on y'all. So I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna look on everything's gonna come from mouse or digi-key for the most part, and then I'll just get a lower price parts and then some higher ones. Definitely gonna have some Wolf speed and GAN models, but they're gonna. I mean, you'll be able, if you're into electronics at all, you start talking the most advanced silicon, all the news, I can't even remember. There's all kinds of stuff, the GANs, components. So I have the bill of material, and I have to be careful what I say here, but because it's confidential for right now until it's completely developed. But and then I'm gonna have it available for you all to buy the boards if you want. So. That'll be the one thing I sell, and my books. But the books will be free on PDF, by the way. I haven't started writing too much. I have a lot of notes, so. But we will get those going, so no worries. I'm going to have those. They'll be free PDFs, and then my boards I'm going to sell. And then eventually I'll release certain parts of the boards. So, but some of it's proprietary to me and Tim. Worked a long time to do that. So not everything is going to be open source, but for the most part, most of it is, and then later on down the road, I got some other plans for y'all. All right? Peace.